Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are well. So I'm back today with a new topic. Today I will show you how to make wine glasses in Blender. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First we will open the Blender software to make wine glass. Then first we will click the general and then we will take a cylinder or cube. Then I will increase the size of the cylinder a little. Then we will click on the add option and go to mesh option and then take a UV shape from there. Then with the UV shape selected, we will go to the modifier properties, then add modifier and smooth the UV shape from the subdivision surface. After smoothing, I will click on the apply option. Then we will go to physics properties, then go to fluid option. Here go to type option and change the type option to flow. Just below it we will click on the liquid option instead of flow type. Then we will select cylinder shape, then go to physics properties again. Here we will click on the fluid option and then we will do the domain place of the type. Just below it, here at the place of the domain type, we will click on the liquid option, and just below that we will tick the box in the place of mesh. Then we will set the keyframe according to how many frame we want. Then I will do all in the type place. After that, click on bake all option. It will take some time and then it will be done. After that we can add any color we want. So I took a little blue color. Now if we play it and see how nice it is, then we will delete our UV shape because we don't need it anymore. So this way you can easily create a liquid object through Blender. Hope you have learned something through the video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more new videos. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end.